Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HiPad Max, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. Let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures and here tap on system navigation. And as you can see, here we've got the gesture navigation, so the option we're looking for. All we have to do is to tap on it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures, for particular actions. In a second, I'll show you everything. Of course, here you've got the animation, so you can kind of learn, but no worries, I will explain. Now we can also enter the settings, which are right here. And as you can see, you can decide whether you want to use the digital assistant and the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this section to customize the back sensitivity after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you want to have it higher or lower. It simply means that you can decide how big this area, which is responsive, which kind of catches your gestures, is how big it is. Alright, so the gestures themselves. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the right to the center or from the left to the center. So whenever you will swipe your finger and see this arrow, you can release the finger and we will go back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time elongate the gesture, like that. And after releasing, you can see the previously opened apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.